Hello friends, I am Karthik Mistry here. This is my first YouTube channel and I am here to teach you maths. Today we will teach banking. I am only going to deal with the ICSE topics of maths, and I recommend you the book called as ML Agarwal. It's a publication, so let's get started. बैंकिंग में हमें सिर्फ दो फॉर्मूलेज याद रखने हैं. पहला है इंटरेस्ट का, दूसरा है मैच्योर्ड वैल्यू का. फर्स्ट इज ऑफ इंटरेस्ट. आई interest. The formula goes P into n plus 1 R upon 2 into 12 into 100. यहाँ पे I इंटरेस्ट है, P है प्रिंसिपल, अमाउंट, n is number of months. In the question वो लोग years में देंगे तो उनको हमको months में कन्वर्ट करना है. And n plus 1 is the addition of the months plus 1. R is rate of interest, and this is the formula. This is the formula for interest. ये इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला है. अभी सेकंड फॉर्मूला है मैच्योर्ड वैल्यू का. उसको हम लोग MV भी बोलते हैं. MV. Okay. So the formula is P into n plus I. Here P is the principal amount, n is the number of months, the same, and I is the interest. Clear? So यही दो फॉर्मूला बेसिक्स है इस चैप्टर के लिए, और यही दो फॉर्मूला पे सम्स बेस्ड होते हैं. यूजुअली MV पे आता है सम्स, तो हमको पूरा दोनों फॉर्मूला यूज करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, सो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं. This is the textbook for ML Agarwal. Actually, I am from 2018-19 batch. So for in that time, at the time the portion was changed. So this textbook was there. I don't know, but the publication would be the same. So let's get started. Banking exercise 2, question 1. Shweta deposits rupees 350 per month in a recurring deposit account for 1 year at a rate of 8% per annum. Find the amount she will receive at the time of maturity. So first sum, Shweta deposits 350 per month. So per month is the principal amount, rupees 350. In a recurring deposit account for 1 year. See, यहाँ पे 1 year दिया है, तो हमें यहाँ पे मंथ्स में कन्वर्ट करना है. n is equals to 1 year is equals to 12 months. Understood? At the rate of 8% per annum. The rate of interest is R, 8% per annum. Find the amount she will receive at the time of maturity. So we have to calculate MV here. So let's calculate. So for calculating MB, we need to remove I. So I is found out by the formula I is equals to P into n plus 1 R upon 2 into 12 into 100. Understood? This is the formula for removing the interest. So here P is rupees 350. Into n here is 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Here n plus 1 is there, so 12 plus 1 is 13 into R, 8% per annum, upon 2 into 12 into 100. You have to simplify it. 12 gets cancelled, 2 here and 2 4s gets cancelled. So here the remaining value is 35 into 13 into 4 upon 10. Here we get 1820 upon 10. It gets cancelled, so here is rupees 182. So copy it down. After that we will remove MB. You can pause the video and copy it down. I hope you have copied. So our interest was 182. Let me write it here. So for removing MB, the formula is P into N plus I. What is P into N? 350 into 12 plus 182. It is given you. So you can multiply it and plus 182. So the answer comes The answer comes 4200 plus 182. So 82 goes on like this, 1 3. So the final answer is rupees 4382. So this is the step by step we have calculated the MB, which is here comes 4382. You can pause the video and copy down the sum. I hope you have copied. Let's move on to next sum. अब next sum पे जाने के पहले I want to make sure you have been cleared the concepts of how to remove MB and how to remove I. चलो फिर next sum पे चलते हैं. Saloni deposited rupees 150 per month in a bank for 8 months under the recurring deposit account scheme. What will be the maturity value of his deposits if the rate of interest is 8% per annum? This is a board question of 2007. Let's do it. Second sum. Here P is given as 150. And is here given as 8 months. We have told to find here maturity value. When rate is 8% per annum, R is given as 8% per annum. So here we have to calculate MV. For calculating MV, we have to first calculate the interest. So let's calculate the interest with the formula I is equals to P into n plus 1 R upon 2 into 12 into 100. यहाँ पे P क्या है 150, n 8 months into 8 plus 1, so 9 आएगा, into R is 8% per annum upon 2 into 12 into 100. एक 0 गया, 2 1s are 2 4s are 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Now no more cuttings, so directly we solve. Two 4s are 2 5s are 5 1s are 5 3s are. So here we get 3 left into 3 into 4. So 3 into 3 9, 9 4s are 36. So rupees 36 is the interest here. The sum is not completed yet. We have to calculate MV, not interest. So but for calculating MV we have to take the interest. So copy down the sum. I hope you have copied it. So we will write 36 here as I. Actually there is a less of space, so that's why I am doing it, splitting it. Now we will calculate MV with the formula P into n plus I. ये फॉर्मूले से हम लोग MV निकालेंगे. इंटरेस्ट हमने ढूंढना है पहले के स्टेप में. अब P into n 150 into 8 plus 36 0 8 5s are 40 8 1s are 8 1200 plus 36. So the final answer is rupees 1236. ये हमारा फाइनल आंसर है. Copy it down. Then we will move to the next sum. I hope you have copied. Let's get on to next sum. Mr. Gupta opened a recurring deposit account in a bank. He deposited rupees 2,500 per month. 2,500 per month. This is the P, that is principal amount, for 2 years. At the time of maturity, he got rupees 67,500. So here MV is given. There is a twist in the sum. Here MV is given, and we are told to find first the total interest earned by Mr. Gupta. That is the interest we have to find, and the rate of interest per annum. हमको दो चीज ढूंढना है. क्या? पहला तो इंटरेस्ट है और दूसरा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज R. So let's get on. Yeah, P is given as rupees 2,500 for 2 years. अभी N यहाँ पे दिया है 2 years, बट ईयर्स में नहीं लेना है. ओके, हमको मंथ्स में लेना है. सो 2 years में 24 months होते हैं. मैच्योरिटी वैल्यू दिया है यहाँ पे हम लोग को MB रुपीज 67,500। पहला तो इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेट करना है और रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट आई आर, ये दोनों चीज हम लोग को कैलकुलेट करना है। चलो फिर कैलकुलेट करते हैं। पहले आई कैलकुलेट करेंगे। फॉर्मूला है हमारे पास P इंटू n+1 R अपॉन 2 इंटू 12 इंटू 100। यही फॉर्मूले से हम लोग को आई कैलकुलेट करना है, दूसरा कोई फॉर्मूला नहीं है। सो आई इज इक्वल्स टू P is given here as 2500 into n is given here as 24 months and 24 plus 1 is 25 into R. R here we have to calculate. So R I will take as it is upon 2 into 12 into 100. अब ये कैलकुलेट करने से पहले हम लोग को M भी कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा। दिस इज द ट्विस्ट। सो ये सम को हम लोग ऐसे ही रहने देते हैं, यहाँ पे M भी कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं। M is equals to P into N plus I। इससे हम लोग को इंटरेस्ट मिल जाएगा और इंटरेस्ट हम लोग इस फॉर्मूले में डाल देंगे। P into N 2500 into 24 plus I। MB क्या दिया था 67,500। MB is 67,500। You have to multiply this. This multiplication comes as 60,000. So 67,500 is equals to 60,000 plus I. Making I as the subject, I will take 60,000 here. So I is equals to I is equals to 67,500 minus 60,000. So the answer we get as 7,500 rupees. We got the I. First copy down this I, we have to get it here. First copy down this, don't do this. Actually this is the next step. First step is this, then this is this step. I hope you have copied. Your I was 7,500. So 7,500. We can make R as the subject now. So taking all the things here into 2 into 12 into 100 upon 2,500 into 24 into 25 is equals to R. Now we have to find the rate of interest. First we have found the I value. It's 7,500 rupees. 7,500. Now simplify this. 25 ones are 25 threes are 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are 25 ones are 25 fours are. So only 3 and 4 are left here. So R is equals to 12%. That is 3 fours are 12. So we have got R also. Rupees, sorry, not rupees. 12% per annum. Hope you have understood. Copy it down. I will erase it. Next, let's move on to the next sum. Mohan has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 2 years at 6% per annum simple interest. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest at the time of maturity. Find the monthly installment and the amount of maturity. So this is a bit tricky question. ये क्वेश्चन ट्विस्ट किया है फोर्थ सम. सो यार n यहाँ पे दिया है 2 years, उसको हम लिख सकते हैं 24 months. लिख सकते हैं नहीं, लिखना ही पड़ेगा. एंड 6% सिंपल इंटरेस्ट, दैट इज R दिया है हमको 6% पर एनम. If he gets rupees 1,200 as interest at the time of maturity, as interest at the time of maturity, so I दिया है हमको rupees 1,200. Find the monthly installment. हमको दो चीज ढूंढना है, P और MB. so चलो ढूंढ लेते हैं. अभी यहाँ पे I दिया हुआ है, N दिया हुआ है और R दिया हुआ है. तो हमको पहले P फाइंड आउट करना रहेगा. सो P हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे I के मेथड से, फॉर्मूला से. सो I इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू N प्लस 1 R अपॉन 2 इंटू 12 into 100. So I is given as 1,200 is equals to P not found. N is given as 24 months into 25, that is plus 1, and R is given as 6% per annum upon 2 into 12 into 100. अंडरस्टूड. P को सब्जेक्ट बनाता है, बाकी सबको ये साइड में लेकर आते हैं. सो P इज इक्वल्स टू दिस कम्स अप 1200 इंटू 2 इंटू 12 इंटू 100 अपॉन 24 इंटू 25 इंटू 6. तो चलो फिर 12 ones are 12 twos are 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 25 ones are 25 six are, sorry, 25 fours are 2 twos are 2 threes are 3 ones are 3 fours are 0 0. So 400 into 2. So P here we get as 400 into 2, which is rupees 800. So P हमको मिल गया है rupees 800. अभी P के थ्रू हम लोग फाइंड कर सकते हैं MV. Okay, so let's find out MV. Copy down the sum. P हमको मिला 800 रुपीज. अब हम MV फाइंड आउट करते हैं. MV इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू N प्लस I इज इक्वल्स टू P इंटू N. P into N. P here was 800 into N. N here is 24 into plus I. I here is 1,200. 24 into 8. First we put 2 zeros here. 8 4s are 32. 2 3. 8 2s are 16. 19,200 plus 1,200. We get as 0 0 4 9. So 0 2. This is the MV. copy it down. This was a bit tricky sum. So I hope you have copied.